I want to talk about a quick concept about money grows on trees and how exactly it grows on trees. Think about this for a moment. Right now, my good friend, business mentor, coach, trading buddy, just life experience aficionado, Mr. Matt DeLong. We're here on a ski lift in the summer. Now, when a ski mountain closes down, they still think of ways to generate income even though their main source of business, snow, no longer exists. You have a ski lift, people bike on it, they come up and hike on it, or they pay 30 bucks to just go around and do something they've never done before. Always think about a concept on how you can use your resources and the skills that you have available now to you, either through people, websites, businesses, networking, contacts, connections, social media, something. You have the ability, the opportunity to use what you have to create an income for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, money grows on trees. You rock.